Hello everyone and welcome to another Bing Webmaster Tools tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to access the AI performance report in Bing Webmaster Tools and what are the metrics that are included in this report. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all we have to do here is to log into Bing Webmaster Tools. And here on the left-hand side, you're going to see AI performance. Now here, we only have two metrics, total citations and the cited pages. And we also have here listed by grounding queries, which means what the tool basically says to cite your page. This is not what the user prompted. This is what ChatGPT searched in the web based on the user's prompt and cited your page. So you are going to have here a list of all these keywords and phrases that ChatGPT used basically to search the web. And if you go to pages here, you are going to see a list of all the pages that are cited by ChatGPT, and you're going to see the total number of citations, meaning how many times this page is cited in ChatGPT. Now, we cannot really see how many people clicked through. So meaning, for example, that we cannot really see, okay, the system cited this page 2,600 times, but we cannot really see how many people clicked and came to your website. However, what you can actually do is you can go to your Google Analytics, and when you go to your Google Analytics, you can go to your traffic acquisition report, and you can actually check how much traffic came to your pages basically from ChatGPT, so you can complete the picture. So here in Google Analytics, you can do two things. You are going to go to your traffic acquisition report, and then you're going to select the dimension that is session source / medium. And here you are going to use the search bar and you are going to type ChatGPT. You're going to press enter. And now you can see how many sessions came from ChatGPT. So now you know, for example, that these pages are cited a couple of thousand times. These are the queries basically that ChatGPT used to search the web. So this is not the prompt. Again, this is what ChatGPT used to search the web. These are the pages that are cited. And now you can see how many sessions you got in total from the tool. If you want to see the same thing at a page level, then you need to go to engagement. You need to go to your landing pages here. So the landing page report. And here you're going to see a list of all your landing pages. You're going to add the filter. And once you add the filter, you are going to click here. You are going to say session source / medium as the dimension. And you are going to say that this exactly matches, and you are going to select all the entries that are relevant to ChatGPT. So you're going to apply this filter, and now here you're going to see by page in the website how many people actually landed on this page coming from ChatGPT. And this will give you a complete picture. Complete picture means now you know, for example, what are the grounding queries, what ChatGPT used to search the web, how many times these pages are cited. So for example, this page is cited 2,600 times. So all you need to do basically is to use another filter here under the search bar. So you are going to search for the specific landing page. You are going to keep this filter on traffic that came only from ChatGPT. And that's how you are going to get the complete picture. So you will know, for example, that 2,600 times this page is cited. From these 2,600 times, that's how many times people clicked through the website. So the number of sessions is going to tell you how much traffic you actually got from these citations. And this is how you can complete the picture. So that's it with the AI performance report. Again, what you have to do here is you can understand what ChatGPT look for to cite your pages. You can see how many times your pages are cited, and you can use Google Analytics, the landing page report. You can apply a filter here, only narrowing down to ChatGPT traffic, and you can look into the different landing pages and you can complete the picture of how many times your page is cited, how many times people click through, and land it on your website through ChatGPT. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.